Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. So last class I completed three mathematical methods. Those are seal, floor, and random methods. Now in this class, two more methods I'll complete. Those are round and rent methods. So first method, note down round. This method is used to round off the decimal numbers. Round off the decimal numbers to the nearest value. This method is used to round off the decimal numbers to the nearest value. So a few points note down in a round method. First one, if the given argument is positive or negative, if the given argument is positive or negative, then it prints nearest value. Then it prints its nearest value. Second point, if the given argument is not a number, then it prints 0. If the given argument is positive infinity, then it prints long max value. So long data type maximum value it will print. If the given argument is negative infinity, then it prints long minimum value. So these are the few points in round method. So I'll execute practically these points. Open your BlueJ. I am executing in mathematical functions class. You have to take every time new class. So here double A positive or negative 3.46 for example. System.out.println math.roundoff A compile. So either positive, first point is what? If the given argument is positive or negative, it prints its nearest value. So output is 3. Execute 3. For example, negative. For example, negative minus 3.46. Then check the output. Positive or negative. First point. Minus 3. Second point. If the given argument is not a number, that means like this 0 by 0, not a number, then it prints 0. What is your output? 0. So this is the second point. Third point is what? If the given argument is positive infinity, then it prints long max value. Now check the output. This is the maximum value of the long data type. Next. Fourth point. If the given argument is negative infinity, then it prints long minimum value. That is, it begins with a minus. See, minus 922 something is the long minimum value. So this is about round method in Java programming. So the next method is a rent method. Next method is what? Rent method. Note down. Rent method. Note down all of you. Rent method. Rent method. Don't confuse round and rent method. This method is used to round off the given argument to its nearest mathematical integer. To its nearest mathematical integer. Now in this one, point C. If the given argument is positive or negative, then it prints nearest value. Then it prints its nearest value. Same like round. Second point. If the given argument is not a number, then it prints not a number only. Then it prints not a number only. If the given argument is positive or negative infinity, then same result we will get. Like what is your input, that is only we are going to get output result. So this is about RINT method. Open your BlueJ. Practically I will explain. Take the RINT method. First point, positive or negative. Positive or negative. RINT. Now here observe the output. 4.0 you will get. Positive or negative. 4.0. Next, negative number, minus 3.56. Outputs, minus 4.0. For example, not a number. The given argument is not a number. Then your output is same, not a number only. Whereas in round function, it prints 0. Here, not a number. Next, if the given argument is positive infinity, then your output is infinity only. Whereas in round, long max value. If the given argument is negative infinity, then output is negative infinity. There, in round function, output is long minimum value. So round and RINT, don't confuse. Negative infinity. So these are the two mathematical methods in this class. So in the next class, I will continue with the remaining methods. Thank you.